good morning, all of my friends. Thank you for giving us opportunity to do a present today. We are from group number 9, and today we would like to do a question about our material. Our material is stage of cancer development. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. I am Widodo Gede Anggrani Diasana. My last name is 002, and my friend.
My name is Eka Bidera Adrian Sawi Karanta, last name 011.
My name is Ido Bagus Gede Subawa Mengapa. My last name 023.
My name is Kadek Idrodra, my last name 017.
We have 6 topic today, and number 1 is definition. Number 2 is stage of cancer. Number 3, system group cancer. Number 4, causes of the cancer. Number 5, risk factor, and the last one is cancer treatment. The first part is definition will be explained by my friend.
Okay, this first is cancer. Cancer is a disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells, which can infect surrounding tissue and spread to other parts of the body via the blood of the lymphatic system. Cancer development is a multi-step process involving genetic, biomedical, and morphological change in normal cell until they become malignant. Next. Number 2 is state of cancer. State of cancer cell formation process is number 1 is a tumor initiation. The initial change in the genetic DNA, the DNA mutation begin to accumulate and multiply in the body. Chemical components in the body treatment and modification of the DNA structure leading to tumor development. This number 2 is tumor progression. Is the process by which mutate, cell accumulate and continue to divide. A large population of cell is at risk of future genetic change and malignant transformation. And at this stage, tumor cell begin to take over the tissue of the affected organ. Next to my friend. Stages of cancer number 3. Malignant conversion is when a tumor has transformed into a malignant or cancer cell. The type of malignant transformation in cell is proportional to the rate of cell division and the number of cells. At this stage, genetic change in cell continue until cancer cell develop. Number 4, tumor development tends to transform into malignant and more aggressive cell over time. Tumor cell have transformed into cancer cell and lost the function of tumor suppressor genes. Cancer cell growth becomes increasingly uncontrolled and spread. Next. The system group cancer into stage 0 to 5. Stage 0, carcinoma in situ or in place. Abnormal cells are present but are confined to the cell layer where they originated and have not invaded surrounding tissue. Stage 2, stage 1, local or early. The tumor is small and confined to its organ of origin. It has not spread to the lymph nodes or other organ. Stage 2, locally advanced. The tumor has grown large and or has invaded deeper into the surrounding tissue. Stage 3, it may have spread to neighboring lymph nodes, but it has not spread to distant organ. Number 5, Stage 5, metastasis or advances. Cancer has spread or metastasis from its original location to distant organ or part of the body, or for example, the lungs, liver, or bones.
Okay, next, the cause of the cancer. And number one, aflatoxin from more contaminates foods or cause liver cancer. And number two, ultraviolet radiation, the main cause of skin cancer. And number three, chemical in Kirai smokes or such as benzo, pear and nitrosamine cause the 80 to 90% of lung cancer, as well as cancer, the mouth, throat, and esophagus. Okay, next. Risk factor effective cancer developments. Okay, number one, genetic factors is inherit mountains. Number two, environmental factor, pollution, UV light, harmful and chemical. Okay, next, and lifestyle, colleagues, infection and AIDS. Okay, next, cancer treatment or summary. Cancer treatment requires and multimodal approach because as method its insights and limitation. The main methods include number one, surgery is removing tumors physically effective for solid cancer. And number two, radiotherapy is using radiation of historic cancer cell. Number three, chemotherapy is using cytotoxic drugs to inhibit cancer cell growth. And number four, hormone therapy used for hormone sensitive cancer, such and breast cancer with hormone receptor. Okay, number five, biology therapy is utilizing an immune system to fight cancer. Okay, next.
Okay, that's all of our presentation today. So right now we are open to discussion session. Okay, you guys have question? Yes, from my friend Lee.
Okay, my question is how can impaired apoptosis accelerate cancer progression?
Okay, we are keep the question first. Okay, next one. Okay, from my friend Tia.
Okay, my question is why is advanced cancer more difficult to treat?
Okay, thank you for the question. Yeah. Okay, that's all question. That's all the question. Allow us to discuss first. Okay, so we have the answer about the question. The answer will be explained to my friend.
Okay, let me answer the question. The number one, the description of apoptosis occurs cancer progression by preferably the damaged cell from the program that's allowing the accumulation of cell with genetic mutation of survives and proliferates. This occur because cancer cell and acquire mutation and inhibit the apoptosis pathway. Is it stable?
Okay, the next question will be answered by my friend.
I will answer a question from Megumi. What is Nia? Why is advanced cancer more difficult to treat? Advanced cancer is more difficult to treat because cancer cells have a spread or metastasis to other organs, become more resistant to treatment, and cancer cells have the ability to mutate, which allow them to multiply.
Is that answer your question? Yeah. Okay, the last part is the conclusion. Cancer is disease caused by uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells that can spread to other parts of the body. The process of the cancer formation happens in several stages: tumor infiltration, promotion, malignant, malignant conversion, and tumor development into aggressive cancer. The causes of the cancer include genetic mutation, exposure to harmful chemical, ultraviolet radiation, unhealthy lifestyle, and chronic infection. Age and heredity also insert the risk of getting cancer. Cancer is divided into stages 0 to 4, depending on how far it has spread, from the early stage or carcinoma in situ to the advanced stage or metastasis when it reaches the other organs. Okay, that's all of our presentation. We hope it will be useful and easy to understand. Thank you.
Thank you.